Alexa, play goodnight music.
Here's a playlist you might like, Dream Time, on Amazon Music.
Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I am going to show you my nighttime kitchen routine after my work. What I'm doing at first is I'm spraying my all-purpose liquid cleaner to all over the places on the gas stove and the countertop, even chimney and the tiles, so that it will get soaked and it will be easy to clean once I will be cleaning. I also keep leftover things into my fridge. I generally don't have much, but in night I boil this raw mango so that I can make chutney in the morning. And I also fill water bottles before cleaning anything because the wastewater of RO can be collected into a bucket and I can utilize them. This is the must in my home. I don't waste at all. The bucket is always in my kitchen and it get collected and I use those wastewaters in cleaning the floor, cleaning the wake utensils, even water the plants. इसके नीचे एक ट्रे लगी है. इस ट्रे में वाटर will be collected from this washed utensils. This is all washed. I also washed two container that was dirty, and this is my cast iron rack. You can see that I have so many cast iron pans. This is a pan, and this is dosa tawa, this is kadai, this is roti tawa, appam pan, and this is second appam pan. So there are a lot of things I have accumulated as a cast iron pans, and it all is organized in this iron rack. This quality is not so good. I will review it in another video, but still I'm using it. I will not recommend you to buy this because this is not so good. This is my homemade general purpose cleaner. In this I have vinegar, water, detergent soap, kapoor ya camphor, and also essential oil of neem oil. So this is basically all purpose cleaner I use to clean all my countertop and also the dining table and all. And there are two more products that is very useful for the kitchen. The second one is this Evans oily surface cleaner. This is very nice once you are cleaning the chimney, because a chimney is attracting a lot of grease and a lot of dirt, and it's not easily washable by the detergent. So this is basically very helpful. You just have to spray it and it will clean. I will show you. And this is one more, the ant one. I will show. This is a strategy just out. This is a herbal product. If you just have to spray it like that after cleaning, you just spray it around the corner like that and leave it. So it has a very strong smell. So make sure that your kids are sleeping, then only you use it. And before waking up them, just wipe that. Okay. Although it is a herbal, but it has chemicals, so children can come and touch anytime. So after sleeping and before wake up, you can use this one if you have kids at home. So these three cleaners is my अगर आपको इस वीडियो में कुछ भी अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज़ इस वीडियो को लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए, सब्सक्राइब करिए मेरे चैनल को। और अगर आप सब्सक्राइब करते हैं तो इससे मुझे ग्रो करने में बहुत हेल्प मिलती है और मेरे चैनल को भी। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग एंड कमिंग अगेन एंड अगेन टू माय चैनल। थैंक यू सो मच।